Hello everybody, this is Ash from Munoha Tour. Today I'm going to share some essential tips on what to pack when you're coming to Malaysia. Whether you are coming for a holiday, you're coming for work, or you are going to stay here forever, these tips are always gonna help you. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's talk about the weather of Malaysia. Malaysia has a tropical weather. That means this is hot and humid around the whole year. So keep those winter clothes at your home country. Instead, pack plenty of lightweight and breathable summer clothes. Think of t-shirts, shorts, and very comfortable dresses. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. And don't forget your swimwear. Whether you're planning to hit the beaches of Langkawi, the islands of Sabah, or you just want to relax by the pool of your hotel, you will definitely want your swimsuit handy. Now, let's talk about accessories. An umbrella is a must-have. Malaysia experiences frequent rain showers, often in the afternoon, so carrying a compact umbrella can save you from getting drenched. Sunglasses and a good hat are also essential to protect yourself from the strong tropical sun. Next on the list is sunscreen. The sun in Malaysia can be quite harsh to your skin, so do not forget to bring a high SPF sunscreen to protect your skin. And while we are talking about the skincare, do not forget to bring an insect repellent. Malaysia's lush greenery can mean mosquitoes, especially in the evening. Now, let's talk about footwear. Keep it comfortable and practical. Pack a good pair of walking shoes or sandals if you are planning on exploring the cities or hiking in the rainforest. You will need something sturdy. Flip-flops are great for the beach or poolside. Also, remember to pack some casual and modest clothing if you are going to visit some religious sites like mosques and temples. Lightweight long pants and long sleeve t-shirts will help you stay cool and being respectful to the local customs as well. Don't forget your tech essentials. A universal power adapter is a lifesaver since Malaysia uses the British style plug. Make sure to pack your smartphone, charger, and any other gadgets you might need. If you plan to work or need internet access on the go, consider getting a local SIM card for better connectivity. And finally, always have some basic medications with you. While pharmacies are widely available here, it is good to have some essential painkillers, allergy meds, and any personal prescription you might need. Malaysia is a multicultural country with a rich heritage. It's important to be respectful of local customs. For example, when visiting religious sites like temples or mosques, dress modestly and remove your shoes before entering. It's also polite to use your right hand when giving or receiving items, as the left hand is considered impolite in many cultures here. Another tip, if you are invited to somebody's house, it is customary to bring a small gift like fruits or sweets. Malaysians are very hospitable, and this gesture is always appreciated. Malaysia is a food lover's paradise. Be sure to try local dishes like nasi lemak, char kway teow, and satay. If you have dietary restrictions, it's a good idea to learn a few phrases in Malay or Mandarin to communicate your needs. Also, pack some snacks if you have specific dietary requirements, as it might take time to find suitable options. Malaysian food can be quite spicy, so if you are not used to it, let the server know that you would prefer less spice. And remember, tap water isn't safe here, so always prefer bottled water. When it comes to shopping, Malaysia has it all, from bustling streets market to modern malls. However, some things are cheaper to buy locally, like clothing and souvenirs. Save space in your luggage by planning to buy these items here. But bring any specialty items or brands you can't live without, as they might not be available in your country. Make your trip smoother with these few essential apps. Grab is the go-to app for ride-hailing and food delivery. Google Maps are great for navigations. Munoha Tour can help with booking flights and hotels. And Move It can help you finding LRT and MRT train routes if you're willing to travel cheap. Having these apps downloaded and set up before you arrive can save you a lot of time. Last but not least, have a note of emergency contacts. The emergency number for police, ambulance, and fire services in Malaysia is 999. It's also a good idea to have the contact information for your country's embassy or consulate. Also find out the location of your nearest hospital or clinic where are you staying, just in case. Before I wrap up, here are a few final tips. Always carry a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. A small backpack or day pack can be very handy for daily excursions. And of course, a good camera or smartphone for capturing all the amazing memories you'll make here. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what to pack for your trip to Malaysia. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section if you have any other packing tips or questions. Thanks for watching Munoha Tour, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!